And in front of me is ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to locate and check IMEI and serial number. So first of all, just open your phone dealer, that would be first method, tap on keypad, and now enter secret code, which is *##06#. And here you've got device info like IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK to close it. And now you can also find those numbers via settings. To do it, just open your settings, then find and select about phone, and here you've got IMEI numbers. If you will click on status, you will be able to, oh sorry, not status. If you'll tap on model, you will be able to check serial number as well, right here. And this is it. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.